Alright, so this is super simple. You obviously don't leave the hood open, but you're going to go over to the passenger side. Open the glove box. And then there's this little thing here you got to push down on. And then you'll see it has a hook on it. So, and you'll want to put that back. You're going to, when you're going back together, push on these on each side at the same time. The glove box will drop down. Then there's the door right there. There's a tab on each side you have to release. I'll show you that. Let me pull it off real quick. This is actually this glove box. It'll just come right out, but you go push like that. And like this. And voila. This filter does have a direction. And these harder edges go on the left and right. It shouldn't be too hard to push in. Sometimes they are a little bit, but nothing too crazy. So put that on, put the door back on, and it's labeled also, or up. This on there. We'll pop the glove box back in. So I just had to slightly push on it to get it to hook back in. So then you just push it back up in there and hook your latch. So now you're gonna go up with it. You'll hear it click, and voila, done. Super simple. You guys can do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope that helped.